got arthritis.
No, you don't. No, you don't with that paw.
How old? 5. She's young. It's genetic, I guess. I don't know. Loretta. Oh, you see toy? See toy?
She looks like she was abused or something.
I don't know. She was a stray, so I don't really know what her story is.
Now you're done? You're done with Squeaky now? For now.
You done with this
Reg, where's your Squeaky?
sloppy toy? No, he's not done with it.
Easy? Good boy. Good cat.
It's annoying person.
You get used to it after a while. I have 3 dogs at home,
May
and
I get a piece of it?